Hi friends, Danielle here from Stitch Co, where I talk about everything knitting and crochet, and today's quick knitting tutorial is how to do a knit two together stitch. This is a two-stitch decrease, which is right leaning, and if you're curious, the pattern I'm going to demonstrate on is the Hot Chocolate Wrap by Lisa Haynes. This stitch is not specific to this pattern, but just for demonstration purposes, if you like the pattern, I just want to make sure I mention that as well. I'm working on the right side of the work, and I am a continental knitter, so I hold my yarn in my left hand, and I'm right-handed. So after all that recap, this is a pretty straightforward decrease stitch. Basically, you're going to, again, we were just working over these two stitches here on my left needle. You're going to insert, instead of just through the first stitch, you're going to insert your right needle through both stitches from front to back, wrap your yarn, and pull through, and take the stitches off the needle. And that's all there is to it. So let me just show you that again. They do not twist or anything, so it's easy to replace them back onto the needle. So just again, we're working over this stitch and this stitch together. Insert, front to back, wrap, pull through, and pull off. And that is the knit two together stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I've got more tutorials on my channel and the playlist if you want to check them out as well. Have a great day.